Hello and welcome everyone, Mr. Carman here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Honda Accord, and we're going to be working on the front end today, specifically the headlights. So the right side is decently cleaned, but if we go to the left side right here, you guys are going to see it's very hazed up and it just really looks ugly. You guys can see how hazed up and dirty this headlight is. It's very rough. So without wasting any time, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a very inexpensive and quick way to fix this. So right here, this rubbing compound by Turtle Wax is my secret recipe on cleaning these headlights for very cheap, and it's very quick to do. So if you guys are also interested in cleaning out your headlights, I will have links to this product down below. And now all you do is grab a small amount, put it on a rag, and start going in circular motions. And this result that you guys are already seeing right here, it literally only took me a minute to just scrub it and wipe it. And let me give you guys a close-up. So as you guys are seeing right here, there's still a little bit of haziness right here. This whole area is hazed up. But if I come on this side, the side I was cleaning, it literally looks close to brand new. So now what I'm going to do is clean this top portion and the rest of the haziness. And don't worry about the residue or the extra product that gets over the body of your car. It comes right off and it doesn't damage your paint at all. As you guys can see, just with a few minutes worth of work and a product that costs a few dollars, your headlight's appearance is restored basically like 90% new. So not only did I just improve the appearance of my Honda Accord, but also practically it's going to be a lot clearer, and I'm going to have a lot more visibility while I'm driving at night because my headlight assembly is now clean, so more light can be outputted to the street. You guys also need to hear this. As you guys can see, that's very smooth. There's no roughness left to it. As you guys saw in the beginning of the video, the left headlight was very hazed, and when I rubbed my hand around the headlight, it felt like sandpaper, and it also sounded like it too. But now with the results, it's a very smooth finish and it doesn't have that rough feeling or sound to it anymore. And I'm going to do the same exact steps on the right side. But I really hope this video helped you guys out in some way, and if it did, please make sure to hit that like button. And if you guys want to see more DIY car videos, you guys could subscribe to my channel at Mr. Carman, and I'll catch you guys very soon with a new video. Thank you.